An introduction to oil and gas, with 10 complete modules, each divided into a series of short videos designed to maximize and optimize your learning experience. You'll receive precise and up-to-date knowledge of the modern oil and gas industry. In the first module, we'll cover the characteristics of oil and gas. Here you'll acquire knowledge on the multiple uses of oil and gas and gain a foundation on their chemical properties. Next, we'll look at the history and structure of the modern oil and gas industry. You'll learn about how the modern oil and gas industry started and gain knowledge on the key players in today's industry. Next, we'll look at the formation of oil and gas. Here we'll cover how over millions of years oil and gas were generated below the Earth's surface. In Module 4, we'll look at exploration, finding oil and gas. You'll gain sound knowledge on how survey methods and seismic techniques are used in oil and gas exploration. Now in Module 5, we'll look at drilling operations. Here you'll gain a richer understanding on the drilling process and the equipment used in these operations. Next, we'll look at production and platform processing. Here you'll learn about how oil and gas are produced and lifted to surface and the facilities needed for separating the fluids. In Module 7, we'll look at maximizing recovery. In this module, you'll gain a strong understanding on how the industry is able to squeeze more oil out of the subsurface using various innovative techniques based on the fundamental physical and chemical mechanisms. In Module 8, we'll look at transport, storage, and refining. Here you'll gain details on the transport of crude oil and gas, how it can be stored onshore and offshore, and how crude oil in particular is refined. And in Module 9, we'll look at decommissioning. Here you'll gain key knowledge on the decommissioning phase once an oil installation has come to the end of its life, and we'll share some ideas on reusing oil and gas platforms for other purposes. And finally, in Module 10, we'll look at working offshore. Here you'll gain a real insight into life on an offshore platform. So there you have it, an introduction to oil and gas. With these 10 complete modules, you'll have everything you need to get started in learning about the oil and gas industry. Have fun and enjoy the course.